What does wash bay diagnostics mean? We're going to find out next. Has this scenario ever happened to you? The vehicle you've repaired hits the wash bay and is almost ready to be delivered to the customer. Then you discover there is a problem with the vehicle's electronics. Panic sets in because the customer is on the way to pick up their vehicle, and you hope and pray that the scan tool will magically fix the problem. Why did this happen? Because nobody throughout the entire repair process thought about the electronics until the car was in the wash bay or on a test drive. How could this scenario have been avoided? Electronic blueprinting. This should happen upfront during the disassembly and estimating phase. Done correctly, electronic blueprinting will give you all the information you need and allow you to print documentation needed to get an accurate estimate of the cost and time needed for repairs. Researching codes during blueprinting will also point to problems in electronics that are not visible to the eye. A missed damage control module could cost much more than you think to replace. Having this information will also help you avoid missing procedures you should be paid to perform. Electronic blueprinting has been proven to reduce the need for supplements for work found after the authorization was given. It has also proven to be a critical component in ensuring that all safety systems are repaired and correct operation is verified. The explosion in the use of these new electronics and safety systems has created a new compounded liability that all shops face in every repair. Create an electronic blueprint to avoid wash bay diagnostics or an I didn't see that coming test drive. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.